Hi friends, this video, what we are going to look how we can get automatic serial number. That is what we are going to look over here. But sometimes we will track it, right, and sometimes we are deleting for some items, but for the serial number will be persist. But this case, it will be a continuous and automatic serial number. Once you are deleting for the particular item, and automatically serial number also going to be delete. That is what we are going to look right now. What we have to do it. Okay, you can keep on watch. Okay, I'm typing the formula equal to if open bracket. You can select, because while you are typing over here it has to come for the serial number, right? So you can select the product and equal to double quotes one time and second time double quotes, comma, again double quotes one time and double quotes second time, comma, type it for row. Yeah, row you can select and open bracket. The serial number starts from 1, right? 1 is to 1, and close the bracket and close the main bracket. Give us enter. Just you can track it over here. Okay, and now you can type the product, that is power, and for soap, silk, cloth, silver, anything you can type it. Okay, just I'm typing for the gold. Okay, now I want to delete one product. Okay, example over here I'm deleting for one product. Automatically that respective serial number will be deleted. Okay, that is what the once I'm deleting for the product, automatically respective serial number has been deleted. Okay, that is what the thing, and it will come for automatic. Just you can track it until how many product or how many tables you want to do for the serial number in a continuous way. I think this will be very helpful for you. If it is helpful, please you can subscribe and watch. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.